In this video, I'll show you 11 editing tricks every editor should know. Let's get started. First of all, we always clear the cache files in Adobe Premiere Pro. To do this, hold the Alt key or Command on a Mac and click on the Premiere Pro icon. A dialog box will appear on your screen. Here, you need to select the second option, Clear Media Cache Files, and then click Continue. Doing this helps your Premiere Pro run a little faster and smoother. After opening Premiere Pro, I'll quickly share some essential settings with you. For that, go to Edit, then Preferences, and we will start with Autosave. If your Premiere suddenly crashes or an error occurs, you might lose all your work. To avoid this, go to Autosave and set Automatically Save every 5 minutes or whatever you prefer, and also select the number of project versions. I have set it to 5 minutes and 12 versions, so my project will automatically save every 5 minutes. Next is Media Analysis and Transcription. Here you will find an option called Automatically Transcribe Clips. Enable it, and then in Transcription Preferences, you will see two options: Auto-Transcribe All Imported Clips and Auto-Transcribe Only Clips in Sequence. The first option means that whenever you import any audio file into your project, Premiere will start generating its transcript immediately. The second option means that Premiere will only generate the transcript when you place the clip on the timeline. The second option is better, and it significantly reduces your manual work. Next, go to Media Cache, and from here set Automatically Delete Cache Files to 7 days or whatever you find suitable. So Premiere will clear my cache every 7 days. Next, you will find the memory option. First, it will show your installed RAM. I have 32 GB, and I have allocated 28 GB to Premiere and 4 GB for other applications. You can adjust this according to your needs. This is very helpful, especially when working on large projects, as you can allocate more RAM to Premiere for better performance. Next is Timeline. In the timeline settings, the first option is Video Transition Default Duration. I have set it to 30 frames, and for audio transition, I have set it to 15 frames. Normally, whenever you apply a transition, it will follow these settings. It is best to set the transition length according to your preference here so that you don't have to manually adjust every transition again and again. Below that, we have Still Image Default Duration, which I have set to 2 seconds. This is very helpful when you drag and drop an image into your project and don't want other elements to be disturbed due to its default length. You can keep it short by default and later adjust it according to your needs. Below that is Timeline Playback Audio Scrolling. I have set it to No Scroll. In Page Scroll, the entire page shifts, and in Smooth Scroll, the time indicator keeps moving forward. I don't prefer either of those, so I keep it on No Scroll. Next, at the end, you will find two options. At Playback End, Return to Beginning. If the first one is checked, your playback will jump back to the beginning once it reaches the end, which I find quite annoying, so I keep it unchecked. The second option means that after rendering any portion, it will automatically start playing, which also feels distracting to me, so I keep that unchecked as well. Then you can press OK. Trick number 1. Suppose you are editing your video and you need to cut your audio file and remove a specific part. Then you zoom all the way into your timeline, and where you need to make the exact cut, you place your playhead there and make a cut. Then you move to the point where the cut should end, place your time indicator there, make another cut, and delete that portion. Let's suppose you want even more detail, but you cannot zoom further into your timeline. So if you need more precision, simply click on the hamburger menu next to the sequence panel. Then click on Show Audio Time Units. After that, Premiere Pro will allow you to view your audio file in much more detail. Now you can place your playhead exactly where needed, make precise cuts, and delete the desired portion. Trick number 2. This trick will save you a lot of time by handling your basic, repetitive tasks so you can focus on more important things like motion graphics, video effects, and overall creative editing. Let Selects handle the tedious parts for you. Selects is basically a tool that handles your initial repetitive work, such as removing silent parts, eliminating repetitions, and syncing multicam videos with your audio. You have to simply drag and drop your project into Selects. Then it will generate a prompt based on your videos, and you can also customize it yourself. After that, with just one click, it will sync your audio with all your video clips and remove silent parts and repetitions. Then you can simply move on to your next steps in Premiere or any other editing software. You'll find the link to this tool in the description, and it also offers a 7-day free trial, so make sure to give it a try at least once. I have already created a detailed video on how to use it, so make sure to check that out as well. Trick number 3. The scroll wheel on your mouse is more powerful than you might think. In Premiere Pro, go to the menus at the top and use the scroll wheel to switch between tabs. Apart from that, if you want to close any panel, simply hover over it and press the scroll wheel button and you can easily close the menu. Trick number 4. Let's say you have used a lot of effects in your video and you only want to see which ones have keyframe properties. Instead of manually finding them, you can do this, go to the bottom and click on the filter properties. Here, enable show only keyframe properties. After that, only the effects where you have used keyframes will be displayed and all the others will be hidden. Premiere Pro trick number 5. If you've ever copied files or assets from one project to another, or worked across multiple projects at the same time, you've probably noticed duplicate files showing up. Not only does this slow down Premiere Pro, but it also clutters your project. Here's how to clean that up. Go to the Edit menu and select Consolidate Duplicates. That'll instantly remove all the repeated items. And here's a quick bonus tip. Once you're completely done with your project, head back to the Edit menu again and click Remove Unused. That will clear out everything you never used, keeping your project light, organized, and faster to work with. Trick number 6. Premiere Pro has recently launched a plugin called the Film Impact Dashboard. This plugin brings transitions, animations, and many other effects together in one convenient place, making your workflow much faster and smoother. To use this plugin, first update your Premiere Pro. Then, go to the Window menu and navigate to Extensions, where you'll find the Film Impact Dashboard. Enable it, and as soon as you do, the panel will open on your screen. On the left side of the panel, you'll see a variety of effects and transitions. Now, if you want to use any of these, let me quickly explain how it works. I've placed a Premiere Pro logo on my timeline and now I want to animate them. Simply go to the Animation tab. Here, you'll find a wide range of pre-built animations. Just choose the one you like and apply it, and instantly, the animation will be added to your logo. You can immediately preview the result and see how smooth and professional the animation looks. You can also control the animation settings, such as adjusting the duration to match your exact needs. If you want to apply a transition between your clips, select the 2 clips you want to place it between and apply it. You'll instantly see how clean and smooth the transition looks. For any transition you use, you can also control its duration, giving you full flexibility and creative control over your edits. This plugin is extremely helpful for editors who want professional-looking results while saving time and keeping everything organized in one place. Trick number 7. Let's say you suddenly decide to rearrange some clips or drop a new one between 2 existing clips. Normally, that can be pretty annoying. You'd have to shift everything over, create enough space, drop the new clip in, and then move everything back again. But there's a much easier way. Just hold down Control or Command if you're on a Mac, and drag the new clip right between the 2 clips on your timeline. Premiere Pro will automatically insert it perfectly in place. No overwriting, no extra moving around needed. Trick number 8. Some keyboard shortcuts are used very frequently. For example, if you want to select all the clips ahead from a specific point, you simply press A and then you can easily select them. After that, you press V to return to the selection tool. If you want to select all the clips behind, you press Shift plus A and everything backward will be selected. Apart from that, if you want to make a cut, you can press Ctrl plus K. Now, if you want to cut at a point and keep the right side, you can press Q. Similarly, if you want to keep the left part and delete the right part, you can also use W. With T, you can use the text tool. And if you want to mark in and out points in a video, you can press O for out and I for in. Trick number 9. Imagine you're deep into your edit and suddenly spot an empty space on the timeline. Turns out the audio is missing. At this point, you've already done too many edits, so using Control or Command plus Z isn't really an option anymore. Here's the quick fix. Move your playhead over the clip that's missing its audio. This trick works for video clips too. Then press F on your keyboard. That clip will pop open inside the source monitor. From there, just pull the audio track back onto your timeline and finally, link it again using Control or Command plus L. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.